Hi, my name na Uche Jumba. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.
Yes, so yes, we don't show back. Yes, on still Daybreak Niger on top of your Tokyo TV, Niger TV, and now like this, you don't throw back in enter Niger Tata 4 segment so where newspaper they hot like fire, where we they align, bring the newspaper come your tomato as it's a hot. Yes, so no forget say for inside Niger Tata 4 like this, we they touch all the story like this as it take concern some of we national dailies. Yes, my name is Bro Starter, and I know they do am alone for inside Niger Tata 4. I dey here with Sister Susu of the Susu Ministry. Susie, how far now?
Yes, so my people, they hope so on a flex on a weekend well.
Yes, hope so on a weekend go when Susie the was on that one already. How far now?
I greet you, well done my people. I hope so na get better weekend. Na another day be this. Muna calm down, Muna take everything easy.
Okay, make una take everything jejely and wildly. That's it's a very, very important. But make we arrange some matter like this as it take concern with nation Obodo Niger. And me now, I may not forget say something happened within the weekend like this. So and now very bad news. But we go to pray to Baba God. They say it no happen again. Say the Niger Immigration Service, the headquarters for inside Las Gidi, some parts of the headquarters like this, it catch fire within the week. Yes, so they've been released on top of their tweet handle say through their the office catch fire, but you know go stop them to display their services to Niger people. Say the cause of the fire, they still never find out. I say they investigate them. Niger cause immigration. See that? See the picture, bring her. Yes, so. Yes, so now the incident be this.
Can imagine. But for that part of the place where they say it burned down like this, so many things don't go. What if it cause fire inside?
It go past electricity.
No go past electricity.
It be electricity. But what I just pray to God say, may not be their finance department will burn. You know now, finance. Yes, so they say the fire, the cause of the fire, they see the investigator, they never come up with waiting cause.
We wait for the report.
We go they wait too. We they wait for them.
They wait now.
Anyway, like this, we go through back before we go through back enter the national dailies. First of all, we go still give you now waiting the stuff on top Koro matter. Yes, so Koro still there with Zanga. That one no be news again. Say we don't shopulate new cases of Koro. How many they be today? What has allowed 24? Yes, what has allowed 24 cases of Koro?
It's just go up.
Yes,
they go up, and they show say this thing they real.
I tell you, now why they like this? Hey, and you know, so Nigeria don't pass 100,000 confirmed cases. Yes, so Nigeria don't pass them. Yes, the way they call them the peak of infection. Nigeria don't pass that one.
You know, say the new strain where they talk say they around now. It they very
easy
harmful. Easy to catch. You understand? Just be like one oga wake during this weekend, one oga pata like this. You understand? The man go Ibadan, you know, nothing do am and anything. But at the end of the day, then they tell say bless na inside the plane.
When
you enter, now you take care of that thing. And the thing no even get a chance. You understand? The one day they down, the following day
you don't go.
The bros die. Yes, so, and also on top of that one, this one pastor for inside House on the Rocks. Yes, so the pastor self, the senior pastor be released the statement say the pastor self still move, still on the Koro matter.
This Koro matter, the Alibaba.
He just come up for isolation.
If they talk, say people they pay.
Yes,
this thing they buy people.
People don't come outside, they talk. I believe say more and more people go compare all those doubting Thomas, more and more of them go come start to the thing. Because the thing now waiting be say don't even they affect people where be say they not be before where they go say you don't know who you do. At least we don't they know who and who, you understand? Because say you don't know who we do now because they don't know that person. At least now we don't they see people where be say this thing they affect. I hope say by now more and more people go start to they take them seriously.
That is why they have to stop this NIN registration.
For now.
They say may everybody link their line.
Yes,
they have to stop them. Because the place safe, you can't they e come be like avenue to spread that thing as people dey plenty
the crowd because everybody wan meet deadline
they have to stop am.
Anyway, Baba God, you no go shame me, people. Na so the matter be. So you go just take precaution. It's very, very important. We go take precaution. May we know for catch this koro where they dance galala for Izanga. Okay, like this, we go throw back here enter the nation, and the nation to like this, and Narere go flex that one. The nation make we know what they suffer with national dailies. The nation, yes, so make we flex the nation.
Yes, so on top the nation, the main story wey dey there be say. On top of COVID-19, government then go spend like $8 each on vaccine for 144 million. That is on top each vaccine, it go be like $8 for 144 million. And for there, we still see say 350 businessmen and firm they owe AMCON 3.6 trillion naira. For that the nation, we still have on top the paper, we talk say varsity workers then begin 3-day strike over allowance and work. That one are the non-teaching staff and the sign of the senior staff. They don't begin 3-day warning strike. And then Amotekun, Miyetti Allah, in joint action against bandits. This one.
Amotekun like don't collaborate with Miyetti Allah.
I like this one because those boys now they need to know say it's not strong hand now they need now.
Okay, still on top of the nation like this, they say Govo them plus inclusion leaders for inside southeastern part of Nigeria like this. They don't join body on top unity, they knock head on top the unity matter for inside the Ohanese and Dibo election we saw. Yes, so where ex-diplomat will be Obiozo, Naim be the new president for Ohanese and Dibo. Yes, so still from the nation like this, we go through Baki, enter. Yes, so the punch, make we punch some punching thing on top the punch, make we flex story like this on top the punch. Susu.
Yes, so on top the punch, the main story for there, Asu they complain, Asu they naked for grant. Say like this, say you know why, it no make sense at all to open university based on say the COVID-19 guidelines. Say they no go they follow them. Lecturers say students they no fit go back to hostel where people plenty, they no fit go back to class. Say like this, say if they go Asu they even they talk and self. Phone up for us, so they talk say if they go the old physical lecture like this, say it go they very, very bad. Say bad things go happen. Say they no go even unical lecturers even they talk say they no go fee open expose their members them to the health hazard. Say because like this, it no make sense to expose people to COVID-19. So many schools no open. Then for the on top of the matter, you go see where they say for billionaires, this one are for business news, and you go flex them for page 28. Say Dangote don't lose $9 million in 24 hours. That one for the punch you go see more. Then they say the Electoral Act amendment say you no go guarantee free polls. Oh, na INEC na they talk that one.
Okay.
Yes, so then they say oil you don't dey near $56. Federal government fit reintroduce fuel subsidy. As if say the one wey.
And inside that punch, you see where be say Lagos then don't carry 100 motorcycle on top say then they pass where be say they no supposed pass.
You good.
Okay, still on top of the punching thing. Yes, so the Ohanese and Dibo like this, it make you know Palos come up from your brain say, yes, so Obiozo will be the former diplomat like this, he don't shop let the president on top Ohanese and Dibo election we saw, and that story like this, they go flex them for page 19 on top of the punch.
Then still on top this same punch, so they say on top because of COVID-19, no, Ekiti State they don't dey on curfew like this, they don't impose curfew. They say even the gathering self, may they no gather past 20. Say if you want to do anything from past 20, may they stop them.
They're very, very important.
Very.
On top of the EdSARS matter, they say 2.5 billion naira like this, now waiting they lose for inside the 95 days where the Lekki toll gate being closed. Okay, from there like this, we go jump body like this, enter The Guardian. The Guardian story like this, make we know waiting they saw for inside The Guardian. Yes, so The Guardian.
On top The Guardian, we see say late PIB passage, that one don dey cause kasala for the marginal few then way before trillion naira. And for there we see say rancor protest as e be say wahala don start as Obiozo e don be new Ohaneze president. Wahala start say they no gree na in that one dey. And on top that one they say no be this Ohaneze we inherited. One person na him talk that one. Then factional group sef then they announce say no na this result we get na that result we get. Still on seal for that time the Guardian we see say 4 soldiers they don wunjure as e be say military people then kill 50 Ikpefu boys for Samfara. They even recover some livestock, some animals for there. And then we see say 20 people wey say they enter motor then kpai for Bauchi. Talk say the motor then jam each other then e come catch fire. Na 20 people take birth.
Okay, on top that the Guardian like this, they say fire be razzle on top immigration service headquarters for inside Lagos, Abuja Market plus inclusion Anambra factory. Now where fire being run Paroski for still on top that Ohaneze election. Yeah, so they say some senior men for inside the southeastern part of Nigeria will be Eyinaya Baribe, Autonomy, Ego plus inclusion other senior men like this. And they don't talk, say, no, we no agree at all. We go run another election. Now, what they say, they no accept the election. We announce Obiozo as the new president general of Ohaneze Ndibo. Okay, from there like this, I go throw back in, enter Daily Sun. Daily Sun, make you flex like this for inside Daily Sun. Yes, so Daily Sun matter like this and make me flex Daily Sun. Okay, they say on top recession. Yes, so Niger embassies like this wahala is there for them. Yes, so second say they no fit pay their rent plus inclusion allowances and maintenance be. Waiting person no go see. yes, so funny as it's that, but they say that the recession they caused that one. Okay, if they don't enact new condition for state to access COVID-19 vaccine. Yes, so if you want to know the condition where FG don't give states, or you go flex the story for inside page 26 of Daily Sun. Okay, on top of that Daily Sun, Ohaneze, Nwodo hands over to Obiozo after election. Yes, so Nwodo will be the former president general of Ohaneze Ndibo like this. He don't hand over to the president-elect of the Ohaneze Ndibo will be Obiozo. Yes, so after election win, even though they still they get factional, now Wuru level say the bros no be him be the new president, say the election who was at all. Okay.
They say ex-Reps deputy speaker Nguroje saying don't lose 7 of his family members for road crash. Wow, so road crash.
Okay. Okay, PDP will be the People's Democratic Party and Serap. Yes, so they don't kick against the plan of the federal government to take borrow money from dormant accounts and unclaimed dividends. Say it no make sense at all. Yes, so now PDP plus inclusion setup now then joint body kick against that one. Yes, so that one go flex them for the Daily Sun. Now where that one do. Okay, from there we go throw back into Niger Tribune. Make we flex for inside Nigerian Tribune. Make we know what they saw for Niger Tribune.
For Nigeria Tribune, then the story where they there be say Fulani settlement for or inside Oyo State. No be say they attack am. Na Amotekun, na him talk this one. Then talk say na forest and na him we rage with vigilante and Miyati Allah member. Say no be say we attacking Fulani members. Then on top the Nigerian Tribune, we still get say COVID-19 inside Benue. I say Benue governor, then go governor. You don't go inside isolation. You don't go stay on your own. You don't go there on a day. Say the corona matter. Then again for the Nigerian Tribune, we see where they talk say 50 bandits. They don't kwife them. The soldiers for Nigeria, they don't kwife the guys. They don't, and 4 of the soldiers they wunjure. For casino operation with them do.
Okay. This one now for page 5. Now Lamata they talk this one. Say waiting make Lagos Rail project then delay. Waiting make them delay. Say if you want to make you go page 5 for Nigerian Tribune. Then for page 25, they say 37 people they don't put for Bauchi on top Bauchi and Nasarawa on top road accidents.
Okay, on top that one, I'm still on top Niger Tribune. Lagos indigenous will be them people, they real Lagosian like this, and they don't kick against the cancellation on top the LASU VC selection. Yes, so the selection of the Vice Chancellor of the Lagos State University. Yes, so where they be cancelled, the indigenous of Lagos, they don't kick against that one. Yes, so still on top that Niger Tribune. Okay, you don't talk this one already. 37 people, they don't buy inside Bauchi Nasarawa road accidents. Another one. So the main story for there now the 50 bad deeds. Yes, so when we Niger soldiers.
And inside that Nigerian Tribune, you get one place where they talk, say, on top of our education, basic education sector, we say Nigeria, we dey short of teachers. Almost 277,537,000 teachers. Now we say we still need for our education sector.
Wow. Then this one now with VP Prof. Oshibajo, I talk this one. He say Nigeria, e go dey stronger if we dey together. This one they talk about, they pay tributes now. Waking they pay tribute, they honor the military heroes, them and heroes, them we don't poof, we don't quench. On top say then they safeguard Nigeria. Say Nigeria, it go better if we dey together, we no separate.
Yes, so better yarning from we own VP Osibanjo, aka Osibobo like this. Where you say Nigeria go day together like this, as one we go day stronger. Oh, still on top of that one, make we flex motor like this for inside with national dailies. Okay, make we flex Sporting Sun. No waiting the stuff for inside Sporting Sun. Yes, so make we flex Sporting Sun. Okay, for inside the Sporting Sun, we consign sporting matter like this. They say Ndidi, when Ndidi Yan say Mikena in idol, say the bro so it affects in playing career. Yes, so now we Fred Ndidi will be Nigeria Super Eagles player where they play for Leicester City. He don't come out and say Ndidi say Mikelo Nain help me. Yes, so the bro so in Leicester for football, it really affects my playing skills. Nain and that one. Okay, still on top that one. Hey, there's an Inter Milan like this. The one Manchester star will be Jesse Lingard on top of the January transfer window. Yes, Inter Milan did the Manchester United star will be Jesse Lingard. Yes, many tourists still there for Insider Sporting Sun.
Yes, so they say Messi don't overtake Ronaldo with the latest free kick goal when he score.
Okay, on top of that one, they say Atletico Madrid don't agree with them Dembele deal. Atletico Madrid, they don't agree, say, yes, so we go sign the Bobo Dembele. Yes, so Mourinho to open Eriksen return. Yes, so Mourinho like this, so maybe the coach for inside Tottenham Hotspur like this, and he don't talk, say, their star boy will be lead them, enter Inter Milan, no, say, he go open a return, no. Yes, so made the Bobo come flex football for inside English Premier League. Yes, so make it flex motory.
And on top the boxing level, they talk say ex-Klitschko coach, he don't they won Joshua over Fury. The fight where they say they want, you know, they want Joshua say, beware.
Okay, make me throw back and enter the new Telegram like this and know what in the stuff for inside new Telegram. Make me flex new Telegraph as in the hot. Yes, a new Telegraph.
Yes, so for on top new Telegraph, CBN don't debit bank then 600 billion naira. That one say CBN don't come out 600 billion naira from banks. Sake of say they don't fall short of the cash reserve ratio wey be say they set for them. Then this one on top AMCON say 350 Nigerians then they owe lenders 3.6 trillion naira. Then Nakuru they talk this one say why federal government must recover 4.4 trillion naira from debtors, people where they owe money. Then if you check for on top position of IGPO, then say 3 DIGs, that's the director general, this in AIG, then they jostle for Adamu job. You know, say senior man.
Yes, so still on top of that one, federal government to serve the presidency, the eye to extend the bros, okay, they say that they extend option as an option. Because they see they look the DIGs, whether to even extend the bobos and tenor for inside. Okay, make it flex leadership, Tori. Make it flex leadership. Know what they suffer inside leadership. Yes, so leadership. Okay. Yes, so 2023, yes, so as Igbos they call for presidency, say yes, so true, he don't reach return to take become president of this nation. Bro, so this thing it don't they cause enough debate for inside we nation. Where they call national debate? Yes, so national debate. Now waiting that one they cause. Yes, so military there for inside the leadership.
Yeah, this one they say. The 4.4 trillion naira igbese wey people dey owe wey dem never collect. Then say if it hurt our economy say if it dabara our economy na so AMCON they won. Then for under you go see where they say Uni Abuja pioneer them pioneer diabetes study for Africa.
Yes, so now congratulations to University of Abuja. Yes, so as Nigerian now they don't set the pace for other universities for inside Africa to take follow.
On top diabetes.
Yes, so
it makes sense.
Then on top corona matter, then talk say federal government, you don't say make people calm down, make them no fear for the talk where they talk say microchip vaccine. Na im go dey. Federal government don talk say make people no fear. As we say hospital sef, they don dey fear, they don dey wahala the talk wey be say bed no dey, medicine no dey for this corona matter. Say hospital sef dem dey fight down one.
Okay, still on top the leadership matter like this, yes, so this one now land matter, land base, land castle like this, they say Igbo youth like this, they don't they say IGP. Proso, Daddy Abego intervenes for this matter, Yes, so now Igbo youth they beg the IGP, the Inspector General of Police, and making intervene on top the land base where they get. Yes, so still on top that one, they say troops don't kill 50 Igbo for boys for inside Zamfara and Castina. Yes, so na better levels. That one at the kind of we want to hear. This way FG talk is very, very important. See, yes, so COVID-19 vaccine no be microchip. Yes, so because
make people no fear.
Yes, you know, so many people they carry propaganda about COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, now here we go take match break on top Niger 34 segment where newspaper they hot like fire. I believe they don't flex enough to like this for inside we national daily. So all the story we don't give you like this. You go just go catwalk, go your vendor like this, collect your newspaper like this, flex all of them. Because say you know suppose they deformed though. If you know they deformed, you they deformed. Radiant, so which one touch on the eye today? Which one touch on? I mean, I don't really choose my own punchline.
The one wey touch me pass now. That's them university wey be say they don't they talk say now. You know say they're supposed to resume, but now on top corona matter, you know even come they say again to resume.
You know say yes, sense they that's where they talk because I be the calculator in Nigeria, most Nigerian university go see 800 capacity lecture hall where we say they harbor not less than 2,000 students.
Then go sit down for chairs, sit down for ground,
for
so now,
window.
Now where we they try do social distancing, how they want come manage that. Now lecturers no. They ask you, they tell you, say, they no fit subject their members to that. It isn't. You know, they give them no personal protection equipment, nothing. So, why you go 1 minute? So, to them, this period, no, they say.
They don't they talk, they don't they all say, they no get enough space. They no get bed. They no get
no oxygen, no nothing.
Oh, now, be say, everybody go calm down, go pump. Then we go look how this thing won't be.
I tell you, yes, it makes sense. And so which one catch you, right?
Well, now this federal government, we don't clear people mind, make their mind rest, say the microchip. You know, say many conspiracy theory now don't come outside on top of this COVID. So it's good as government don't they let people know, say this vaccine no be waiting on the think or waiting on the year because you know, say if you hear from here, you don't even check the source of your information where they get and for you know what you don't spread wrong information
and so, those kind of news then they sabi spread
fast
pass
yes now because you no get backbone, you no get where they go
anyway better sense is what you talk as federal government don't clear Nigeria people say no microchip say na vaccine will not give you and the vaccine say no be by force if you don't like you no go take.
The funniest thing can't even be say before you even reach common man self. Now the oga dem at the top. Now them go first collect. So why people can't they disturb themselves? At least they don't talk say them go collect. Oga boy go collect. Vice president go collect. And they go show am for TV. Say now like this it be you.
Maybe you know say this thing. People they fear waiting they know.
They still
fear waiting they no know.
The thing say they no trust our government.
Now be the thing.
No.
Now the same thing they talk.
Anyway, the main thing be say no matter what thing they happen, hope see yes. so hope see they say one day like this and koro e go base come up from Wizanga. And also hope see they say this security wahala where they get this kata every year. Say one day like this and we go tell people say yes, so you get time for Nigeria, we be say if we day like this, they will keep person, they will say nah lie. Because peace go day.
For inside Oyo State now, them Mamotekun and them Yeti, they don't join body.
Yes, another collab
so all those kind of news, they sweet person. People mind go rest.
Okay, now. Yes, so the one we catch my eye at the University of Abuja. Yes, so where they pioneer the study on top and diabetes for inside Africa. Yes, so it's a very, very important. But yes, because say many of we old people like this, diabetes don't do the study. So that study, I believe, say it go provide more solution, more lasting solution to diabetes.
It go even make people start to they put eye for waiting and they chop because you know say waiting concern us. Person go chop bread, chop yam, chop this, chop that.
Because of Africa, we today consume carbohydrates, so which normally na sugar.
It's good. So make people
maybe
put
store they carry they go on.
It's very good news. It's good. I like them.
Yes, so that very good news. Now, so we take the do on top Niger Tata 4 segment when newspaper they hot like fire. Yes, so bro, that's your venture Bobo be there here. Yes, so Susu there here and Rere is still there. Yes, so from we're looking for inside Niger Tata 4 gang. We they tell you enjoy the rest of your day. Una bye bye yo.
Wado.
Hi, my name is Uche Jumba. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.